Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Welcome to the next session of EVS. This is your EVS session. Please take out your EVS books and take out the next page, page number 19, right? We were discussing about the topic magnets. Okay, so we will discuss the next topic now. We will discuss the topic related to magnet and we will do some examples related to these. Okay, so write the date first. It's 29. Please write the date. It's 29/12/2020, right? Again, I'm going to write 29/12/2020. And what is the date today? Today is Tuesday. Fine. So take on Tuesday. See, children, what's this? Let's go below and read the fact first. What are the facts given? Magnets attract objects made of iron. I already told you that मैग्नेट्स हिंदी में मैग्नेट्स को बोलते हैं चुंबक, राइट? जो चुंबक होते हैं वो लोहे की जो चीज होती है उसको अट्रैक्ट करते हैं। फाइन। अगर आप मैग्नेट किसी लोहे की चीज, लोहे को इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं आयरन, आयरन की चीज के पास लेके जाओगे तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली उसके पास चिपकेगा। फाइन। सो नाउ I'll show you match the objects that will be attracted to the magnet by drawing lines. See, in between there is a magnet. Now you have to tell me, does eraser will come to magnet, will attract to magnet, scissor will attract to magnet, rope will attract to magnet, this will. So now let's see eraser. Will eraser get attract towards the magnet? Will rope gets attract towards the magnet? Will scissor get attract to magnet? This safety pin will attract to magnet. Keys will attract to magnet, or log will attract to magnet. Now see, eraser is not made of iron. लोहे की तो नहीं बनी होती eraser, so this will not attract. Rope, रस्सी लोहे की होती है? No. Scissor, yes. बैक वाली पार्ट जो होता है वो होता है प्लास्टिक का, बट फ्रंट पार्ट इज ऑफ आयरन, सो दिस विल अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड्स द मैग्नेट। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज सेफ्टी पिन। यस, सेफ्टी पिन will also attract to magnet. Keys, yes, keys will get attract towards the magnet. Log, लकड़ी कभी attract होती है magnet की तरफ? No. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all. So turn your page, come to the next page, come to page number 20. Fine. Write the date again. This is 29/12/2020. Fine. And today is Tuesday. Okay, so now let's read what we have to do now. Okay, did you know, let's read this. Did you know there are many metals such as iron, aluminium, copper and gold? Okay, different types of metals होते हैं, but only a few of the metals are magnetic. और इनमें से few metals है जो magnet की तरफ attract होते हैं. Magnetic means that they are attracted by a magnet. The metals that are magnetic are iron, nickel and cobalt. Okay, these get attracted towards the magnet. What do the objects that are attracted to the magnet have in common? उसमें क्या होता है common? What do the objects that are attracted to the magnet have in common? The objects that are attracted to the magnet have iron in common. Okay, उनमें iron common होता है. Fine. What you will write? The objects that are attracted to the magnet have iron in common. I hope this is clear. Okay. So again, I'm going to tell you the answer. The objects that are attracted to the magnet have iron in common. Okay. The word iron will come. You'll start the answer from here. The objects that are attracted to the magnet have iron in common. Okay. So you will write one word over here, iron in common. Okay. Now, see the above part. For each of the common items listed below, take a guess, predict at whether a magnet will attract them or not. Then run the experiment using a magnet to verify. First, you take that whether you will be right or no. Okay, without, this is the predicting part and this is experiment. First prediction means that you will guess your guesses. Metal paper clip, will it attract towards the magnet? If I say yes, okay. Now, screwdriver, will it attract? Yes. Paper, no. I am predicting mine. So now you will predict yours. I will only mark just three, otherwise, you are going to copy. First, predict yourself. Parents, I request you not to help the children. Let them predict themselves. And now, after predicting, let them do these experiment at home. Then, then you will see whether your prediction, your guesses were right or wrong after doing the experiment. Fine, children? So, write the daily diary now. Now, write the daily diary. It's 29/12/2022, page number 19 and 20. Fine. Finish your work and send me. Bye. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.